Your brake pads are one of the most important safety components of your car. Worn-out brake pads can reduce stopping power, increase braking distance, and even damage your rotors, leading to expensive repairs. In this video, I'll show you how to check if your brake pads need replacing and a step-by-step guide to changing them yourself. Before we start, here are some signs that your brake pads need replacing. Squeaking or grinding noises when braking. Longer stopping distance. A vibrating brake pedal. Brake warning light on your dashboard. If you notice any of these, it's time for a replacement. Now let's check if your brake pads are worn out. Here's how to do it. Park your car on a level surface and turn off the engine. Use a flashlight to look through your wheel spokes. You should see the brake pad pressing against the rotor. If the pad is less than 3 millimeters thick, it's time to replace it. For a closer inspection, remove the wheel for a better view. To replace your brake pads, you'll need a lug wrench, a jack and jack stands, a socket wrench, a C-clamp or brake piston tool. New brake pads. Let's get started. Follow these steps carefully. Loosen the lug nuts and jack up the car. Secure it with jack stands. Remove the wheel to access the brake caliper. Unbolt the brake caliper and slide it off. Don't let it hang by the brake line. Remove the old brake pads and check the rotor for damage. Use a C-clamp to push the brake piston back to make space for the new pads. Install the new brake pads, reattach the caliper, and tighten the bolts. Put the wheel back on, lower the car, and test your brakes. And that's it. You've successfully checked and replaced your brake pads. Always remember to test your brakes before driving. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more car maintenance tips.